Winter may not be the best time for sports cars, but snow and ice can still provide a ton of fun in the right vehicle. The Porsche Macan GTS I had back in January was a riot in the snow. And it was wearing nothing more than a good set of winter tires. What you really need to conquer the frozen north is tracks. These replace wheels with the same sort of equipment that helps tanks and snowmobiles roll over damn near everything in their paths. That's what makes the 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 HD all-mountain concept so awesome. That and the 910 pound-feet of torque from the 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8. The all-mountain concept is set to debut this week in Vail, Colorado, home to ski slopes, log cabins and nearly year-round snowpack. The truck is based off a standard GMC Sierra 2500 HD. The turbo diesel V8 makes 445 horsepower in addition to the mountain of torque. Power is sent to all four corners through an Allison 1000 6-speed automatic. The new treads come courtesy of Mattracks. The 150 series tracks aren't cheap, well into 5 figures with installation, but they give you a nice 16-inch surface at each corner. Other changes and add-ons include graphics on the bodywork, a rigid D-series 30-inch light bar, LEDs on the wheel well and underbody, Thule snowboard racks, a roll-up tuck cover and a new speaker system from Kicker. The truck will stay on display in Vail all winter, though a similar concept will be making its way to various auto shows, starting with Los Angeles next week.